Nice little package. Let's see here. This is going to be kind of hard to do this with one hand. Maybe I better just... Oh yeah. Breaking the official seal. I'm going to try not to stab myself while I do this. God, I wish I had a cameraman. Any of you guys want to be my cameraman? Go on ahead and let me know. Oh man, that's the first thing we see. Nice little bubble wrap. Not the best packaging in the world I've seen. Hopefully it didn't get banged around too much. 2 GB GDDR5 GeForce GTX 680 brought to you by EVGA. The number one. I love these things. I'm going to save these for later. Now, this is a used package, so I didn't expect the box to be in the best shape possible. But let's see what we get. Then we're going to do an installation also, and a test run. Oh, some EVGA stickers, booklet, drivers that you don't need. Oh, nice. They have a little EVGA badge for my tower. Nice. That's going to be going on. Put that aside. You got a... What is this? You got a poster. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for all you true geeks out there. Not interested in this. Let me know if any of you guys on YouTube want me to ship this to you. You have to pay for shipping, of course, but let me know. Got some of this. You got some power adapters. DVI to VGA. Who the fuck still uses VGA? Anyway, down. Here goes. Hold on a second. Sorry about that, guys. I wish I had a camera guy. But here it is. I love the smell of new plastic. Oh yeah, this is freaking heavy. Holy crap. Single exhaust gets thrown out the back. HDMI. What was that again? I forgot the name of that one. Damn it. HDMI, DVI. You can hook up 4 monitors to this bad boy. Exhaust gets thrown out the back. He said it was very lightly used. So you still got the little plastic thingy on here too. That's good. 2 6-pin connectors, power adapter connectors. Some more stickies. I like peeling those off too. There it is. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and install it into my tower, and we'll go from there. Oh wow, this is much heavier than the GTX 580. This is freaking a beast. All right, I'll be back. Well, here's my overall setup. Got a 150 watt power supply. This one card is going to require 550 just by itself. Got a Blu-ray drive, Asus Blu-ray drive, 1 terabyte hard drive, 4 gig sticks, an equal of 8, but I have 8 more gigs coming in by mail to fill it all up, so I'll have a total of 16. Right now I'm running 8. Intel i5 2500K processor with stock cooling, unfortunately, but whatever. I'm not planning to overclock anything anytime soon. Dual fans. It's an Antec case, your full size, and hopefully This is where the PCI Express 2.0 slot is, so hopefully I have enough room for that massive beast to go into. Go ahead and I wish I had some kind of air to kind of air it out. Doesn't really need it, but it is a little dusty here and there. Well, I'm going to put it in and we'll see about that now. Two 6-pin power adapters. Muy importante. Just finishing on the card. Power adapters are plugged in. Got plenty of room still. Got about 1.5 inch room of space left. So they could even bring on bigger cards. Got it all screwed in, installed. Now we're going to fire it up. But as you can see, everything else is set on ultra. What's this on normal? Is there anything else? No, it's either normal, low, or off. Okay. So we're going to start the benchmark without MSAA. This is the first benchmark I've run. This is live on the fly. Max frames 52, 42 average, minimum 34. Average 42, minimum 34. This is with a GTX 680. Batman Arkham City benchmark. Everything turned up all the way. Tessellation is on high. Pretty good average, 49 frames per second on average. That's really good actually. Average 50 frames per second. Lowest of 7.